Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Apostle will hear of this.
Hello, Tufan. Where are you? Oh, you are in Canada. Please come to India. Come to India. Jihad wants to cut my head with a cutlass.
Funke!
Right, I'm on my way. Let me book the next available flight.
Jesus is Lord. Apostle will hear of this. Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? You will move out of this house.